All right, guys, my lone ratchet wrench setup consists of mountings. All right, now I lost my 8 and 10 in mountings, so I went up and got a clutch, but it's not working anymore, and I'm pissed. I have it set up. I have to use this little bit right here to get under here. This is a tight fit. I'm doing a transmission service on the ZF transmission. Now I got my clutch wrench in place, the long extended version ratcheted wrench. All right, so I got it set to where I should be able to tighten it up. Look, it's just going around. Let me push that in. Okay, that's off. Let me push that in. That's off. That's on. All right, let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Put that on there, and we're gonna do this. Look at that. It's just ratcheting. All right, so I bought this thing from Northern. Let me see if it'll do something the other way. Nope, it's garbage, guys. All right, I'm taking this back to Northern. We're gonna go up there together and see if they will replace chrome vandalism clutch. The clutch is Northern, guys, so we're gonna go up there and see if they will honor their warranty. Let's get it. All right, guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is verify if they have one. Here's mine. Y'all saw it broken. Y'all saw it was not even ratchet. Oh my goodness. Y'all know what I'm seeing? They may not even have them. I thought they had these separate. Oh, don't tell me they don't got one. This is one of my most used. Oh my goodness. Damn, gear wrench selling wrenches now. Like, look, see guys, this is the thing what gets people. All right, yeah, so I'm not a tool truck hater, guys. I'm not a snap-on hater. It's just I'm at this phase of my career, of my life, where beauty don't matter. Nice, pretty. Y'all know where I'm going with this, okay? As long as the damn tool work. All right, that's easy. That's kind of easy for me to make that argument now when I got one that don't work. This thing here, man, the shit, you can go my better going to Harbor Freight getting the Icon version. They lifetime warranty as well. Is this it? I wonder will they give me a whole complete kit just because one is broken. And in fact, guys, this is not the same length. No, I don't want this. See, this is 8 and 10, but it's nowhere near as long as, yeah, and you need that length for leverage. And look at me talking about leverage when I did that video saying you ain't not supposed to use these as leverage. But yeah, according to those comments, who follows rule? 80% of those comments, y'all was in there dogging me out. Y'all was like, man, you out your damn mind. That's why they make it this long. Interesting. You guys are a trip, man. I don't know how to gauge you guys. Look at the size of these wrenches. What the hell are these for? This can't be no car tools. All right, so what do we do? What do y'all think? Okay, I mean, if they want to, I tell you what, here's what I'll do. If they say, sir, we don't have these individuals, so what we have to do is give you the whole complete kit. I'm not going to turn that down. I would take the extreme sacrifice of this length and accept this whole package for this. So y'all know what? We're going to find out, man, because I'm going to leave that right there. Let me look around for a minute and see if there's anything else I need. Guys, are these tools on the equivalent of Harbor Freight? Every tool company or every tool store got their brand that they specialize in or what they push. All right. So Harbor Freight happens to be Icon and what's the other one? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Northern happens to be most of this stuff is clutch. Yeah, most of the stuff I'm seeing is clutch. And me, I have no problem with none of it, guys, as long as they honor the warranty, if it's lifetime warranty. Okay, I'm not gonna buy it unless it's say like, I don't even think tools out there being sold as non-lifetime warranty. Okay, unless you just like super real cheap tools, name brand tools, they all pretty much gonna have the lifetime warranty logo on it. I just saw a tool guy roll by. I'm gonna go grab this and see how he handled this, because I promise you, I think I used to see these as individual wrenches, like right along here in this line. Now these are ratchet wrenches, but they're not long. I'm looking for the long stuff. So yeah, ain't no sense talking about it. Let's be about it. Let's go find out. Will I be able to get this or equivalent? I mean, the damn thing broke. Listen, I got a question.
Sure.
This is broke. What are we gonna do about it? Lifetime
Where
warranty?
did this? No, that's not how that
That's
works.
lifetime of the tool.
That's not how that works.
It's lifetime what?
Of the tool, not your
Lifetime
lifetime.
warranty means lifetime of the item.
Lifetime of the tool.
Yes.
The tool is broke. That's the end of its
Right,
life.
If it's worn out,
Yeah.
it's not broke, it's just wore out.
I don't know.
Eventually things wear out.
It don't work no more. That's the same thing, isn't it?
Not if you use it on a daily basis, no.
Whoa, can you come a little closer and explain that a little more deeper? What'd you just say? Say that again.
It goes to being everything has a lifetime warranty and everything has a physical life. It's the lifetime of the tool. Even Snap-on doesn't do a lifetime warranty. Craftsman doesn't do a lifetime warranty anymore. You know why? Where's Craftsman?
They went under.
Bingo.
Because they was honoring their lifetime
Well,
too?
it was buy one now, get one forever.
Right.
And then they stopped that. Even Snap-on doesn't do that anymore.
Craftsman don't do like they're Lowe's now. They
Right,
don't do.
because they're not even made in they're not made where they used to be
junk.
anymore.
That is junk
Right,
tools
because
now.
it's cheap Chinese stuff.
Oh, you noticed that?
Yeah. I wholeheartedly know that.
Craftsman, not your lifetime. Like,
But how would they make money then?
I get it. I've always wondered how they make money.
See,
by just
but
giving
I ain't gonna say nothing.
Keep giving us tools because this word right here, lifetime warranty, it's obviously misleading.
It is. I get in touch with them.
Well, see, I bought it because it had lifetime warranty on it.
All right. You're getting this and that?
No, no, I don't see one of those over there, and it has it in it. I don't know how y'all do that.
Oh, okay.
All right, guys, this dude got a unique way of explaining their lifetime warranty. He said it's not technically lifetime, all right? I can't keep bringing it in to getting it replaced.
He said it's not the same thing.
Well, right. I mean, he's right. Even that size is not the
right,
same
so,
thing.
okay.
It's not the same length,
Right, he said it's smaller.
and I want my leverage.
Here's the thing, like technically you should also have your receipt.
Even on the lifetime warranty? Yep.
Yeah.
Like, y'all really expect customers to keep a receipt forever?
Do you realize that Snap-on still requires you to prove that you paid for it from them?
Well, if I bought it from him, he would have it on his computer.
Not necessarily. I can't hold that much information. You're talking 6 months.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna have. I have what you have for 6 months, and that's it. So that's why it literally even says on the receipt it is up for you to keep it. I'm not saying do or don't. I understand what you're saying, but here's no, it's not, because I do it all the
To
time.
keep a receipt, it'll
Yes.
fade. They tend to fade, like slowly just die away the ink.
Fine.
Oh yeah, you take a picture of it.
Yeah,
Yeah, honor that.
there's a whole app for it because you can literally print it, no matter what. That's the actual item number for that specific.
wrench.
Yeah,
All right, thanks, man.
not a problem. Sorry about that.
That's cool. Well. This guy was pretty freaking cool. All right, he's just doing his job, guys. So, no, I'm not angry at him. You know, man got a job to do. But I'm without a wrench. All right, so now it's going to become a decision, a point where who do you trust to hang around the longest? Sure, your tools can be labeled lifetime warranty, but if manufacturers discontinue the life of the tool, what does it matter? Right? Right. Think about what I'm saying there. This tool life has ended. There are some tools out there in the world that still exist in this tool model. When this tool break, how do we exchange this tool for another tool if this tool life has ended? Y'all think about that for a minute. All right, I'm done. Thanks for watching.